Types of preventive maintenance. Time-based preventive maintenance. A time-based approach schedules a preventive maintenance task using a set time interval, such as every 10 days. Other examples include triggering preventive maintenance, like a regular inspection of critical, on the first day of every month or once in a 3-month period. Usage-based preventive maintenance. Usage-based preventive maintenance triggers a maintenance action when asset usage hits a certain benchmark. This can include after a certain number of kilometers, hours, or production cycles. An example of this trigger is routine maintenance being scheduled on a motor vehicle every 10,000 kilometers. Condition-based preventive maintenance. Condition-based maintenance is a form of proactive maintenance. It's a maintenance strategy that monitors the actual condition of an asset to determine what a maintenance task needs to be done. Condition-based maintenance dictates that maintenance should only be performed when certain indicators show signs of decreasing performance or upcoming failure.